So wisdom is a tricky thing. How do we even know we are wise? I've got the perfect little exercise for you to find out.
Make a book.
Yeah, making a book. All right, my name is Timothy Sands, and this is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the lucky ones and have subscribed early, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe if you're so inclined. All right, so I'm gonna make this pretty simple. I feel that intelligence versus wisdom is something that you can garner through education, something you can gain early in life, something you can get from books. And you know what? If you do a lot of reading and you do a lot of studying, you can become intelligent very quickly in life. However, wisdom, I think, can only be garnered through experience. And that means you have to have time on this planet. And I think a good gauge on figuring out if you are wise is writing a letter to your 20-year-old self. And this is my letter to me. Dear 20-year-old self, stop being a f***ing snob. Seriously, uncross your arms, enjoy, accept. Whether it's pop culture, whether it's art, just enjoy it. You are not some entitled, highly attuned taste monster. You are just a young guy who's kind of jealous of people who have better taste than you. Simple as that. You're just a pensionate, young, entitled snob. Yes, Good Will Hunting is a fantastic movie. You're just jealous of those two asshole Bostonians who, you know, had really quick success. But it's a great movie. Enjoy it, amongst many other things that you're crossing your arms at right now, okay? Speaking of movies, chick flicks, you should totally watch them. Get a lot of inside knowledge about the lady's brain. Also, watch Cary Grant movies. Great education for charm and wit. Yes, you know, they're movies and they're fiction, but who doesn't want to be Cary Grant, and especially the characters he plays? So watch those. Listen, I know you read a lot, so you're good there, but you also need to admire fine art. I'm talking about sculptures and also paintings. All good paintings have a story, and you love stories. So admire them, look into them, educate yourself a little bit about that, because you know nothing about it at this age. By the way, you love architecture. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I'm just finding that out now. So embrace that. Enjoy looking at buildings, especially 1960s, mid-century modern, maybe in the 1950s as well. You love that architecture. Enjoy it, embrace it. No one fucking cares what music you listen to. Yes, maybe a girlfriend here or there will care, but in the grand scheme of things, no one cares about your big CD selection, or if you hunted really hard for that little specific artist in the record shop. No one cares. Music is not to be worn on your sleeve. Music is not to feel entitled or smarter than other people, or that you have more taste, whatever. Music is for you. Music is to be enjoyed in the privacy of your own home. You're not a DJ. You're not playing it for everyone else. Just enjoy it, embrace it. Music is to inspire. Music is for entertainment. Music is for you. And if you really want to inspire someone or impress someone, create music. Yeah, because I still don't know how to play the piano. So, you know, jump on that. I know you eat healthy, and I'm very proud of you on that. However, you have like the shittiest palate ever. Don't go out as much, go out less, and go to nicer places. You know, open yourself up to different things. You love sushi. I don't even think you know that yet. Sushi is fantastic. this is another serious one, live on a sailboat. Even if you don't learn how to sail, just live on one for a month because you're gonna want to right now. And you know what? You're gonna have a beautiful wife and a beautiful baby boy and they're not gonna be down, okay? So live on that sailboat, get that out of your system. Embrace your curly hair, women love it. Also, don't worry about your tan. No one cares about tans. I don't know why you care about that so much. Watch more plays, travel more, talk to more people, hug more. And I'm gonna leave you with this. You're a gentleman in training, but you're still kind of an asshole. So what you need to do is lean into that gentleman thing. Don't worry about pissing people off. Worry about being a classy dude, all right? All right, thank you for watching. My name is Timothy Sands, and this is my story of fashion and fatherhood. If you like this video, I think you'll like this one right here. It's about how to make your wife cry in a good way. And yeah, subscribe if you're so inclined. See you on the flip side. Mwah!